Hello, it's Miss Hake. We're back for some literacy. We are going to listen to the digraph, SH. It makes the sound shh. Have you ever been told to shh, be quiet before? Have you ever told someone to shh, I'm sleeping? Yeah. So first we're going to listen for rhyming words. I'm going to say a word and I'm going to ask you which one rhymes. Are you ready? Wish. Which one rhymes with wish? Dish or fly? Dish. You got it. Now I'm going to say the word hush. Which one rhymes with hush? Must or crush? Crush. You've got it. Now I'm going to say the word fresh. Which one rhymes with fresh? Mesh or free? Mesh. You got it. Now one more. I'm going to say the word flash. Which word rhymes with flash? Mash or me? Mash or me? Mash. You've got it. You're really good at picking out the shh rhyming words. Now I'm going to pull a word apart and say the 3 sounds in the word, and I want you to clap and say the whole word. We're going to do it together. Are we ready? Shh, up, t. Shh, up, t. Shut. Yeah. Now you know how to do it. Ready? Shh, ack. Shh, ack. Shack. Amazing. Sh, L. Sh, L. Shout. Yes. Okay. One more because you're so good at it. Sh, up. Sh, up. Shop. All right. Do you know what else starts with the sh sound that we've been talking about? Shadows. Yeah. It all started with the groundhog on the shadow day. So we're going to get a light source and we're going to see if we can trace a shadow. I'm going to see if I can trace my coffee mug and create a shadow with a light source. So you're going to need a flashlight or something. Maybe there's a light on a cell phone that you can shine. Look at that. I've got my light ready. Do you see my shadow almost behind me? Look at that. So watch this. Do you see the shadow of the mug? If I put the light right above the mug, the shadow is right on top. But if I move the mug and move my shadow, my light source, can you see the shadow getting... Look at that, what's happening? Is it getting smaller? If I go closer? So you're going to find a shadow that you love, and then you're going to start to trace a shadow of the object that you're shining it on. You can even just play around and see what happens to the shadow. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? And if you like that, you can get someone to hold your light source, or you can prop it up. Whoop! Miss Hake has to have hers nice and high for her mug, because if I do this, look, the shadow grows big and it goes off of the paper, and you can trace. So that's a fun activity. I'm just going to get rid of my flashlight here. Put out some different shapes and some different forms of light, and I would put out a big piece of paper or a piece of paper on the wall, and I would have the little learners start playing with light and objects and tracing. It's so much fun. All right, have a beautiful time with your shadows, and I'll see you soon.